Hey folks, this is Adam from 911reviews.com, and today we've got what may be the most star-studded review that I've ever done. In fact, I know it is. And it's also one that hits me closest to my heart because it has to do with the health and well-being of my family. This comes to us from Superior Vocal Health, and it is a great product line that's going to help you with your vocal fry, your rasp. If you're a singer, you're a songwriter, whatever it is, if you use your voice, you're a public speaker, or if you just want to be able to talk well into your later years, well, this is the product for you. And I think honestly, everybody should be using this. So Superior Vocal Health has an entire range of products: vocal rescue, throat savers, all sorts of stuff that I'm going to tell you all about here in a moment. Now, I told you stars are using this, right? Vocal coaches, vocal superstars like Eric Vitro, his superstars are using it. I'm talking about people like Katy Perry, Ariana Grande, Shawn Mendes, Pink, BB Rexa, John Legend, way more are using Superior Vocal Health, and products like Superior Vocal Health. Check this out. Throat Saver Herbal Blend. It's vocal health. It's all about making your voice sound better. Now think about this. If you're a singer, you use your vocal cords every night. They get strained. They start to sound a little raspy. That may be cool at first, but it keeps getting worse and worse until you can hardly sing anymore. You don't want that. If you talk in a loud environment, you work in a bar, a smoky environment, you're gonna lose your voice. You know, I've lost my voice several times in the last 2 years. We've had to cut reviews for a week or two. Sometimes when I get sick, I lose my voice first and foremost. Throat Saver, Vocal Immunition, more Throat Saver, Vocal Rescue. This kind of stuff is what's gonna make the difference between you having a great voice when you're 40 or 50 years old, or hardly being able to talk, having that vocal fry that just doesn't sound good. A big difference. Don't let the damage build up in your throat. You're gonna use this every day. So let's go ahead and hear from some of the superstars that are using Superior Vocal Health, and I'll be back here in a moment.
Sinus Cleanse by Superior Vocal Health, and this is the main thing that I want to talk about. Oh my gosh, this is the best stuff that I've ever found. My sinuses feel incredible, and I've been having all kinds of allergy problems here in Nashville up to now, with just lots of sneezing and itching, and this has done so much for that as well.
Recently won a Grammy Award for co-producing Reba's Sing It Now album. First of all, Throat Saver is really great. I've used this. We have a residency in Vegas, and the air out there is very dry, and staying hydrated is practically impossible. So this stuff is great because you dry out with 2 songs. I have this at my home studio in our wardrobe cases and my doc kit, so it's with me at all times. And I've passed this along to colleagues and friends, and they have all fallen in love with it.
Hey friends, this is David Phelps. I'm here to talk to you about Superior Vocal Health. This right here is the Throat Saver Spray. I've used this on many occasions, and it's gotten me through. I'm holding the Throat Saver Spray, and it's awesome, but they have other great products there as well. So if you go to their website and use the code PHELPS, PHELPS, you'll get 10% off on your order. So go to www.superiorvocalhealth.com.
So there you go. Wasn't that interesting hearing from all those people who use Superior Vocal Health in their everyday? Now check this out. Can you see that? You see the spray coming out of there? Hopefully I didn't blur up my lens too much with that. This stuff smells amazing. I've used this for several days now. Really opens up my sinuses. I have issues with allergy, just a congested, like a sinus drip back here. Really hurts my throat. I lose my voice as soon as I get sick. So I use Sinus Cleanse, and it really keeps my throat and my sinuses open. If you have a deviated septum, this is a great product for you. Sinus Cleanse, I've got 2 bottles here. You can see one I've been breaking into already, and this one I'm using next. Now, Think about this. Now, here's something that's very important to me. My poor mother-in-law has myasthenia gravis and has ALS, okay? One of the first muscles that began to atrophy in her was her vocal cords. She started to lose her voice. At first, we thought it was just kind of cute old lady voice. And it kept getting worse and worse. And frankly, Vocal Rescue and, which one is it? Throat Saver, every day using this, just drops of it, really helped retain some of the strength in her vocal cords. It's important. If you can't speak, if you're a mute, it's heartbreaking. Make sure you're taking care of your vocal cords. Now, obviously, a lot of people are going to say, isn't this just for singers? No, it's for everyone, folks. If you speak, you want to take care of your vocal cords. It's like anything else. If you want to have good posture, you do back exercises. You want to have good biceps, you do arm curls. And if you want to have a good voice, you warm up your voice, you get a vocal coach, and you make sure you're using your Vocal Rescue, you're using your vocal ammunition, you're using your Vocal Saver, all the stuff that makes a difference, and of course your Sinus Cleanse, to make sure that you have the voice that you want. So anyway, folks, I absolutely recommend this. I think this is a great product. Comes to us from great people. I'll put all the information in the description below. Website information, links to where you can buy it. Go through their website, see which product is best for you. Yeah, it's straightforward. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those in the description below. I would be happy to reply to most of them. If I don't have the answer, I'll try to reach out to the company and see if they can reply directly back to you. But superior vocal health. If you aren't doing anything for your vocal health, you should today. If you're a smoker and you're doing damage to your poor throat, if you're building up tar, anything like that, you definitely need to be on this. Again, I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. Check out my official website at 911reviews.com. Please subscribe. We have new videos all the time. And thanks again for watching, folks. It really, really, really matters to me. All the likes, all the clicks, all the subscriptions, all the views. That really makes me happy. That's a wonderful thing. You're like family and friends to me. And I want to make sure that my family and friends are taken care of. So Vocal Rescue, Superior Vocal Health, a tremendous product. Absolutely. Like, sometimes I'll get products and, they're good. They're good products. I don't want to ever put bad products out here. I'm not going to waste your time. This is a great product. This is one that you need to make sure you're taking advantage of. Save your voice for later in your life. Make sure that you still have a great voice. I'm well into my 40s. I feel like I'm doing my best with my voice, despite the fact that I had severe vocal damage in the military, going through basic training, always sounding off and screaming. I've lost my voice 100 times, so I know I need to take care of my voice. Anyway, folks, click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.
And don't forget to subscribe to our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. So if you love gadgets and entertainment, then be sure to subscribe to 911 Reviews.